What's up, this is JMilionair. I know you guys seen me before. Foggy air units. I'm gonna do a real quick video of defogging the air unit. I just did this side, and I'm gonna do this one real quick. Of course, these are, foggy. So go ahead and get a hair dryer. Now you can see through both sides. Super simple. It didn't even have to be on there that long. It's effective. One thing I don't know is if it's going to damage it, as far as wearability, but these are DS, so it doesn't matter anyways. I'll wear them one day and find out. Cool. Alright, rate, comment, subscribe. Peace out, YouTube.